Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a Trioving lock. It's drilled for 7 chambers, and this was kindly lent to me by my good friend Yukov. It came in a box. It has some, what looks like, I promise you it's not blood, it looks like some paint on there. So I don't know its history. Maybe it was going to be part of an installation, and that's like some kind of like door varnish or stain on there, some wood varnish or stain. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this lock. Not my lock, but it does look interesting. Looks brand new, actually, you know, looking at the sharpness of the key and everything. So really excited to give this a pick. I've never picked a Trioving before, so let me throw this in a vise and have a go. Okay, so we are in the vise. Here is that key. It's not extreme bitting. We've got some very low zero lifts at the front. Very, very tiny amount of lift on pin. That'll be 5, and then quite highs on pin, cuts on pins. Was it 3, 4, 6 and 7 here, and it just works very, very smoothly. Hopefully we can have a go at picking this. If we can, then we can try and gut it. Bit of top of the keyway tension, and let's have a bit of a go. So I've got a pick in 0.5 thousandths. Pin 7 takes into a bit of a false set. Nothing on, so 6 cancel rotation, nothing on 5, 4. Got something, but I might have dropped something. 2, 3 now. Bit of cancel rotation on 3, but might need to go back to 7 and just test the, this is 6 again, nothing. 5, 4, 3 is giving cancel rotation, go back to 7 to get that full set back, I think. So 6, 5, 4, oh, and we're open. Look at that. So lots of cancel rotation going on there. I have never actually taken apart a Trioving before, so I don't know what's inside. So, well, you can see it's open, so I'm just going to pop the key in, or lock it back up, pop the key in a little bit of the way, try and grab a tool to take off that circlip at the back, like that. Oh, there's all sorts of bits that just came out the back. That was interesting. Like that, dump that in there. I'm assuming, do I need to have a, yeah, I'm assuming that I'll need a shim. I assume. And we will, God, that doesn't want to go in, does it? So go, put it all, that's why, because I didn't unlock it. Whoa, stop that. So shove that shim all the way down. Grab a follower, and I think this is a standard size. Looks like it. Oh, so what I thought was pin 7 is actually just pin 6. So I was miscounting. There isn't actually a 7th pin at the end. Okay, well, I've learned something new about this lock already. Honestly thought that there was a 7th pin. Just shows how good I am at counting the pins. Oh, so all these are standard. Never picked a Trioving before, so first time doing it. I know that these are good quality locks. Other than that, I don't know what to expect on the inside of these. Let's discover together. Ooh, that is nice. What is it though? It's like a little, oh, it's a it's one of those like double mushroom spools, like a little, I don't know what you want to call them. Tell me in the comments what they actually are. These spools which are like a double mushroom pin. They sort of rock back and forth. Clearly gives cancel rotation, as you saw when I was picking this. They're like a little bow tie shape, maybe. Don't know if I've ever picked these sorts of pins before. They're kind of cool. They're like a double mushroom spool pin type thing going on. Yep, I can dump out any springs. They're all just standard brass springs. And actually, I'll move the body of the lock just over here. Pop those in like this. and I'm show what we've got. So yeah, we've got all standard key pins in positions 1 to 6, and then you've got these lovely little almost bow tie shaped double mushroom spool pins. Very, very nice. So yeah, that's this Trioving lock. Don't know what model it is, just comes in a box. I don't think it says anything on the key. It just says Trioving Norway on the key, and that's everything there is to know about it from what I can tell. But yeah, very fun lock to pick. I imagine with a steeper bitting or more extreme bitting, that would have been a lot harder to pick. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you like this video, drop a like. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. It really helps my channel out. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.